How's this your uncle, Burpee Yoga Uncle, replacing my camera cover on my Samsung phone. In hindsight, I wouldn't suggest you do it. It's pretty dangerous. I can show you the whole thing, how I did it in about 2 minutes. Let's go. Fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your Burpee Yoga Uncle. So for the first couple of minutes, I'm gonna show you all the steps it takes. It's super simple to get rid of this broken camera lens cover I have on my Samsung phone. The model is on the description, but I think it's like a FE20 or something, I don't know. And this is the kit I got it off Amazon. I got the one with instructions and a lot of extra tools. So I'm packing them, checking out all the stuff I need to do. And if you can, please read the instructions. Yeah, that's kind of important. So the first thing you're gonna do is, I didn't know that, but you need to heat the glass because it's adhesive, and with the heat, it makes it easy to take out. And now this is the hard part. You're gonna use the tools provided, trying to get rid of the lens that is stuck with glue on the lens. And I tried to use the razor blade. They gave me this blade here, but it was just shattering everything. So instead I ended up using the tweezers. That seems to work really well. And I actually didn't try anything else because it was working pretty well for me. But there was glasses everywhere and I'm peeling them out. So it's pretty easy. I guess the harder it is, the easier it is. And I would suggest it strongly, if you're going to do it, to have a covering on the bottom, as well as wearing gloves and eyeglass protection, because those glasses were flying out everywhere, broke every little step. So now once the glass is taken out, the broken one, now you're going to proceed to go and with the provided brush out all the little debris. The better you brush, the better, and also blow, but don't blow in front of the paper where all the glass shards are. Now I'm going to take out the replacement, and I'm going to attempt to figure out the configuration first. Oh, this is, yeah, there's only one way to make sure it fits correctly, which is that way. So once that's done, I'm going to proceed to take out the adhesive in the back of it. Yeah, make sure the 3-hole lenses are clean, so you will clean that too. Make sure there's no little glasses stuck there or dust or anything like that. And then you're just gonna basically put it in, and then you're good to go. And you want to test the camera lens beforehand to make sure that it's all clean and free of debris. And that's it. All these things that they gave me, the only thing I used was the tweezer. And I didn't use any of I used that little wipe thing, but that's about it. I don't know what to tell you. All the rest of the stuff I didn't use, but I kept it anyway. And then this is all the glass shards that you see, the little glass everywhere, even though I have a paper covering. So it's very, very dangerous if you have those little shards. So I would suggest not to do this. This is for entertainment purpose only, but you see there's glass shards everywhere. In fact, I actually, after I cleaned up everything, I used tape to tape over all the glass pieces, trying to take all the unseen pieces out of the table. So this is very dangerous. I would not suggest you or anybody to do it. But if you must do it, just be careful. Wear your eyeglass protections and your gloves. And I didn't tell you to do it. I'm telling you not to do it. The package costs like $7-8, and I got 2 covers. And I don't know. I don't think it's worth it. But here comes the full non-stop.